Hey guys, so just wanted to show off some cool 3D printed stuff that we got from Ben today. This is for Yelena, so these are the guns I've made for her. Mine's being printed now, but just wanted to show you guys some stuff real quick. You know, I hear a lot of people go, 3D printing is cheating for cosplay or stuff like that. It really isn't. Now, there's a lot of computer type stuff that goes along with it, running things through slicer programs and finding a file, assuming one exists. If not, you got to make a file. If one does exist, you have to convert it to something that's printable. So there's a lot of stuff that you actually have to do. It's not cutting shit out of wood or foam or whatever. So yeah, it's not really constantly manipulating like materials, but you're manipulating a 3D model and then having it printed. And when it comes out, it doesn't come out perfect and good to go. So this came out in pieces, that's why it's multiple colors, but it's all stuff that, I've had to glue together and clean out all support material. And it's not perfectly smooth either. You can see, the styrations and stuff in it. And then you get shit like this, like random bits of, texture where there shouldn't be a texture there. So again, this isn't something that you just pick it up off the printer and you're like, nah, I have a prop gun, fuck everybody, I got all my shit. No, there's quite a bit of work that has to be done to this. Now this is, I'd say probably about 4 hours of cleaning. So picking all the support material away and gluing it all together. And I've got some stuff that, like the stuff on the top here that's just too big to snap off. So I got to go in there with a Dremel and clean that up. And then I have to polish it. So to take the styrations out of the print. So yeah, there's still a lot of work to do with this. It's just not done. Now, if you guys want to see an example of something that's really not great, again, shit that happens with 3D printing, there's this. So see these gaps here, they're not supposed to be there. That is because something went wrong with the slicer. So when it was making the layer, it forgot to put in a couple of layers here. That's why there's a gap. On the other side, totally flush, right? So you have stuff like that happens all the time. And then you get random things like this where it just forgot to print a part. Like the slicer didn't read it. So now normally you just reprint this, but because I don't have any more filament right now, and it's kind of close to crunch time, rather than reprinting this, I'm just going to patch it with some body filler and, fix it that way. But, again, it's not this idiot-proof, plug-and-play thing that everybody thinks it is. So there's actually a lot of work that goes into it. Like I've got to try and make, I'm not sure how well you can see, this jaggedy, really rough surface here. I got to try and make that look like glass. So again, it's not perfect, it's not easy, it's not cheating, it's just a different way of doing it. Anyways, these are super cool. Just wanted to show them to you and talk a little bit about how 3D printing isn't cheating.